Good afternoon, everyone. Here's Joe from JR's Car Reviews. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that we know when I upload a new video. For today's in-depth review, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra TRD. This is going to be a full tour of the Tundra TRD. I'm going to start up. I'm also going to show the engine. I'm also going to show you guys the interior and the exterior of the truck. So, here's the key. You got your lock, unlock, your tailgate release, and your panic. I'm going to climb on in and get started. This truck also has Toyota Smart Key Access System. Just keep the key fob in your pocket. Doors are currently unlocked. To lock, just tap this rip portion here. The locks to the truck for you to unlock, you just put your hand on the door handle and it automatically locks the door. The color exterior is black and it has gray leather interior, power driver's seat, the power recline, and power lumbar. The truck also has push button start. All you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start the engine. Very nice. It's got a full leather wrap steering wheel. Nice smooth power steering. Coming to your transmission, you have a 10-speed automatic transmission. You also have M mode. You can shift the vehicle manually. You also have a backup camera with guidance lines right there. Your parking brake's located right here. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the headlights and the hazards. Automatic driver's side window, and check out the exterior. That beeping is just to tell you that the key has left the vehicle. Got your blind spot detection on mirrors. You also have LED turn signal mirrors. Coming to your tires. These are riding on Oklahoma tires. 265 60 R20s. So you have 20-inch wheels. You have the LED headlights. Got your fog lights down there. Got your LED taillights with the LED turn signal indicators. There's your exhaust. Alright, just gonna pop the hood. Coming to the hood, you have Toyota's 3.5 liter V6. It is twin turbo. Battery. Power windows, power door locks, your window lock, power mirrors, storage down there. All right, just gonna cover a couple of revs. Move this paper out the way. Very nice. Got your climate control, your fan speed, your temperature on each side. Got your sync, your different modes. You have your front defrost, rear defrost, your air conditioning, and your recycling. 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. Got your traction control. You have your parking brake, your auto hold function. Storage down right here. Cup holders. You have storage in there with your 2 USB outlets. You have your different drive modes, your tow haul mode, and right here you have your different modes. So you have sport, normal, and eco. Got your radio. Sounds pretty decent. Let's see. So here's the home screen. You have your radio, Apple Music, Amazon Music. You have navigation, radio, phone, your vehicle settings, and you have all your settings right here. Very simple and easy to use. You have your driver info setting right here. And you have your phone. You have your volume. You have your voice command. You have your cruise control, your lane keep assist. And you have your different modes. Turn signals and your turn signals and lights. wipers. Right there, you got your tachometer, your temperature, your oil, battery, your speedometer, your fuel gauge, and where it says P is your gear selector. Right here, you have your lights for your tailgate, your automatic high beams, your auto stop feature, and you have your gauge brightness, and you have your trip info. And this is to alert you if you're going to hit something. Got your interior lights. This is to open the rear. Sunglass storage. You have automatic dimming rearview mirror. And up here, you have storage with your 12-volt power outlet. All right, so I guess that's it for the inside. We'll put the window down, check out the back seat. Power window, storage. Storage, you have your mat pockets, cup holders, and you have your phone storage. Cup holders with your center armrest. Check out the tailgate. Power window, power door locks, storage, full power passenger seat, glove box, storage, all right, that's it. Let's shut everything off. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. Be sure to stay tuned for my next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.